I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some questions from test paper on ratios and percentage. Now these are multiple choice questions. You can pause the video, copy the question and try them out. I'll discuss some of them in these videos. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you question number 3, right? So we'll look into this question in details. The question here is, Mario is making a fruit punch by mixing orange juice and pineapple juice in a ratio of 1:3. How much pineapple juice should he use to make 3 liters of fruit punch? So that is your question. You can pause the video and answer the question. Now, the standard method of doing this is kind of like this. We are looking for ratio of 2 juices. Let us say orange juice and pineapple juice. So we have orange juice and we have pineapple juice, correct? And their ratio is how much? It is given to us that their ratio is 1:3, right? So that is the ratio. You need to find quantity of each when you have total of 3 liters, right? So the question here is that you have to make juice, so that total is 3 liters. So your total is 3 liters. You want to find how much of each should be added to get a punch of 3 liters, right? So that is the question. How are you going to do it? So idea here is when you mix these two quantities, what total do you get? So that is what you need to find. So add them. So when you add 1 and 3, you get a total of 4. Is that okay? So you get a total of 4. Now you need total of 3 liters, right? So in 3 liters, how much should be orange juice? How much should be pineapple juice? We are mainly interested in pineapple juice for this particular question. So for that, we need to find a scale factor, correct? So find a scale factor. When you go from 4 to 3 liters, what is the scale factor? To find scale factor, we will see what ratio we should multiply by, right? So we are going from 4 to 3 liters, correct? So the quantities required will be, let us say this is 4 liters, then the quantities required will be lesser than 1 and 3. Remember that, since we want 3 liters, not 4, correct? The ratio here is, from moving from 4 to 3, we have to multiply by 3 and divide by 4. So the scale factor is 3/4. You get the idea, right? So therefore, multiply each one of them by 3/4. So when you do that, what do you get? 3/4 times 1, so it is 3/4 times 1 is to 3/4 times 3. So that is what you're going to get, right? So when you multiply 3/4 times 1, you get 3/4. You can write it in decimals also, correct? So let us do it. So when you do 3 divided by 4, you get 0.75. So this value is 0.75 for the orange juice. For the pineapple juice, it is 3 divided by 4 times 3, correct? Times 3. So it is 2.25. It is 2.25 of the pineapple juice, and when you add them, let me add 0.75, you get 3 liters. That is perfect. So when you add them, so what do you get? You get 3 liters, correct? And therefore our answer for pineapple juice is 2.25, correct? And so we can write down the answer as, in this fruit punch we are going to have 2.25 liters of pineapple juice. I hope the method is clear to you, right? So that is how it should be done. Thank you and all the best.